So I'm here with Alicia DiPietro, and Alicia, so thank you so much for doing this interview with me.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
No, it's my pleasure. So tell me a little bit about we were just talking about your body sweating.
Right. Well, so I've always, I guess, my armpits have always kind of been the sweatiest part of my body. Now I do wear antiperspirant and I do wear a deodorant combination, but in spite of that, I often find wetness in that area. Like right now, and that's why I prefer to wear sleeveless shirts. Actually, for years, I always, in the summer, what have you, or even not in the summer, in the winter even, I sweat a lot in my armpit area.
And now, what about your butt area right now?
No.
You were saying
I was
that
joking for the people who were
a
walking
certain
by.
anal cavity was on fire. Is that correct?
No, not at all. The reason I said that is because I was lying down on the stones and it looks like it would be hot and people were walking by. So I thought it would be funny to say, oh my ass, But really, it wasn't funny and it wasn't true because I'm sitting on it now and it's really not very hot. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So tell me about Shannon.
Fuck. I knew you were going to say that. How embarrassing. I would prefer not to.
Okay.
I mean, okay. You can probably tell from my reaction, okay. So move next subject. What other questions you got there?
Tell me about your necklace. I really like your necklace.
Thank you. Oh, this necklace I got actually several years ago. And it's been my favorite necklace. It's just a simple, cheapo necklace I got, like, I don't know, I think I got it at Natick Mall someplace.
Can you get me one of those? I want one.
I got it years ago.
So they probably don't make them anymore.
No.
I really like that.
Me too. I might be able to find you one online if I look really hard.
I wouldn't know how to describe it to put it online.
I know, isn't it so weird?
It's
just
lovely.
It's one necklace. Yeah, I know, I like it too. Because you know why I like it is because my favorite colors are yellow and blue. And I'm actually wearing, I think this is my best color that I'm wearing.
I love it.
Not to be conceited or anything, but I think, and I probably look
you're
very ugly.
a whore too.
I probably look really ugly on camera, but I actually think that this particular color blue is, like, for some reason, is the best hue for my body type. I mean, my skin. I mean, my overall ugliness. As far as colors that I think are bad for me, I think like pastels, melon. I think I look really horrific in. I think lighter colors accentuate my hideousness quite well. And I prefer earthly colors usually. And even though, like, I love the color yellow, I generally don't wear it just because I feel like I look like, quite a homely in it, or quite unappealing. Unlike a banana. Yellow banana.
Oh, Lord.
Hilarious. Well, let me interview you.
Sure.